Welcome to Item 2. Today we're discussing and analyzing Showtime's Black Monday Season 1 Episode 2. Let's recap. The episode starts out with the screenwriter following Mo around to write a screenplay about Wall Street for Oliver Stone. Blair brings in Georgina merchandise and Don confronts Mo about his Georgina plans, angered that he didn't let her in on it. She wants a partner share of the trading firm, called the Jammer Group. Mo says no and she quits on the spot and goes shopping. Keith, the trader on the team who got Mo the coke in the last episode, tries to play a prank on Blair in filling an order. However, due to the prank backfiring, the company is now on the hook for $4 million. They accidentally purchased 1 million shares of Federal Allied Titanium. The rest of the trading team is trying to unload the stock. However, they think the best plan is to unload it onto one of their larger clients. The problem is, only Dawn had such large clients, and she's no longer with the firm. So Mo must go get her back. She's initially stubborn to return. Then when Mo invites the actual large client to pitch the idea to him directly, she returns and negotiates a 15% chunk of Jammer Group out of Mo. While that's going on, Blair gives this failing algorithm to the trader who has made the initial trade and convinces him to call it off. The screenwriter from this episode said he can't use the material, but it's good. Instead, he will give the story over to another guy who's currently writing a movie called Working Girl. A few concepts to discuss. When a trader puts in an order, they actually operate on margin, so they don't need to have the money in their account at that minute to make the trade. The money typically needs to be available by the end of the day, unless there's some side deal that's been made. When Blair goes down to get the order filled, he puts in a fill or kill order. It's simply an order for shares of stock at a specific price that needs to be executed immediately for the entire amount. If that's not possible, the order is instantly killed. There won't be any partial fulfillments. The two references made by the screenwriter in this episode are for two movies. The Oliver Stone movie being Wall Street, which actually came out in December of 1987, so a couple of months after when this show takes place, and Working Girl, which came out in 1989 and starred Melanie Griffith. We'll be covering both of these movies in detail in the future on this channel, so look out for that. If there are any TV shows, movies, topics you would like covered in the future, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, and for announcements, check out my Twitter @NextAceNetwork and Instagram @NextAceNetwork. Finally, look out for my Patreon page.